This is my submission for GE3300 for the bonus challenge. So I first started out by picking the most uncomfortable room, and that just happens to be my bedroom. I feel that it's pretty poorly insulated because I can feel the temperature outside even when I close the windows really easily. So it can get either really hot or really cold. So I also had to measure the dimensions of the room, and it turns out that it's around 14 by 10 feet squared, and the height of the ceiling is around 8 feet. So to calculate the volume, I just multiply all of them and I get 1120 feet cubed. Using Therm Pro, I found my room condition. For relative humidity, I call it RH1. I got 59%, and the measured temperature in the room was 70.7 Fahrenheit. The requirement is that I have to calculate the change in enthalpy for RH2, which is 50%, and T2, which is 70 Fahrenheit. I also had to assume the infiltration rate, which is around 2 air changes per hour, and the density of air is around 0.075 pounds per feet cubed. So by having the values of RH1, 2, and T1 and T2, I could graph it on my psychrometric chart. Graphing this, I could also find the enthalpy, which is H. So the H for the room condition is 27.3, and the H for the required condition is 25.3. So to calculate the energy usage, I first started out by finding the mass of air, which I call m air. To do this, we need to multiply density of air by volume and the air changes per hour. And so I get m air is around 168 pounds per hour. And then I had to take the difference between the two enthalpies, and this would give me around 2 BTU per pound. And then finally, to calculate the energy usage per hour, I've used Q equals m air times the change in enthalpy. That's 168 times 2, and the result is 336 BTU per hour.